In today's video, I'll be explaining exactly how the Amazon Kindle Unlimited subscription works. Now, this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So Kindle Unlimited is basically an all-you-can-read library subscription for ebooks, audiobooks, and even magazines. So what do you actually get with the subscription? To start with, you pay a monthly fee and then you get to access a massive library of digital content. You get millions of ebooks, thousands of audiobooks, and magazine subscriptions are right at your fingertips. You can even borrow ebooks and audiobooks, similar to borrowing from a library, but there are no due dates. From there, you're able to read on any device with the free Kindle app, or you can read on a Kindle device. And you even get to borrow up to 20 titles at once, meaning you can read multiple different books all at the same time. So how do you actually get the Amazon Kindle Unlimited subscription? Now, the first thing you need to do is just open up Amazon, and from there you can go to the top left corner and click this all button right here. From there, we can go down to where it says Kindle e-readers and books, and when we click on that, it will open up this menu, and we just want to look for this middle option which says Kindle Store, and we can then go down to the second option which says Kindle Unlimited. From here, we can claim one of two offers that they currently have available. The first offer is a 30-day free trial, and this allows us to try it out for 30 days for completely free. However, if you're sure you want Kindle Unlimited and you wanted to have a good deal for the next few months, you can also choose this 3-month deal, which allows you to get it for just £8 a month for 3 months. But after that, it goes back to being the normal price. So if you wanted to try out Kindle Unlimited for yourself, feel free to choose one of these offers, and then you can go ahead and either pay for this deal or start your free trial on this one. So this has been my video explaining how the Amazon Kindle Unlimited subscription works. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.